Would you still go to work if you knew the job wasn't safe? Many Jamaican workers face dangerous conditions every day without knowing they have rights. Let's break it down clearly. What workplace safety laws in Jamaica require, what employers must do, and what workers need to know to stay protected. In this video, we are going to explore the topic, workplace safety laws in Jamaica, what you need to know. What does workplace safety mean? Workplace safety means your employer must provide a work environment that does not endanger your health or life. This applies to offices, factories, construction sites, farms, shops, domestic workplaces, every workplace, every worker. Employers have a legal duty to keep workers safe. This includes safe equipment and tools, proper training and supervision, protective gear where required, safe buildings and workspaces, reasonable safety rules. Safety is not optional. What responsibilities do we have as workers? Workers also have responsibilities. You must follow safety instructions, use protective equipment provided, report hazards or unsafe conditions, avoid reckless behavior. Safety is shared. Can you refuse unsafe work? Yes, in certain situations. You may refuse work if there is a serious and immediate danger. You reasonably believe your safety is at risk. You report the issue promptly. Your life comes first. Refusal should be calm, explain, documented if possible. Let's turn our attention to some common safety violations. Watch out for faulty machinery, lack of safety gear, poor ventilation, unsafe electrical wiring, no safety training, ignored accident reports. Don't ignore warning signs. So, what to do if your workplace is unsafe? If your employer ignores safety concerns. 1. Report the issue internally. 2. Document the hazard. 3. Take photos if safe to do so. 4. Contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS. What protection do you have against retaliation? You should not be punished for reporting unsafe conditions. Threats, reduced hours, or dismissal for raising safety concerns can be challenged. Speaking up is protected. Extra care is required in high-risk industries like construction, manufacturing, agriculture, security. Employers must take additional safety steps. No job is worth your life or health. Workplace safety is a legal right, not a favor. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican workers know their rights to a safe workplace. Stay informed. Stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.